Hello guys, in this video I'll guide you on how to install and use internet browser on your Google TV Streamer 4K device. Now by default, the Google TV Streamer 4K does not come with an internet browser, so you won't be able to find any pre-installed internet browser specifically built for the Google TV Streamer 4K device. But obviously this does not mean you cannot browse the internet using your Google TV Streamer 4K. To get an internet browser, you would have to go over to the Google Play Store or simply just head over to the app section of your Google TV Streamer 4K, and then you want to just scroll down. Now under the search bar where we have all of this category of apps, you want to just scroll to where we have tools, select that, and from tools over here you're going to see tons of browsers that you can actually download and install into your Google TV Streamer 4K. Now personally, I like to use the TV Bro browser because it is actually one of the easiest browser to use, and it is also very unique with all of the premium features you would find on some of your most popular browsers. So you can go ahead and use this browser as well, or just download any other browser listed from over here. To get any browser, you just want to select the browser. Take for instance the TV Bro browser, and then just click on the install button. Give it some few minutes and this particular browser will be downloaded and installed into your Google TV Streamer 4K. Now once the TV Bro browser is downloaded and installed, you can go ahead and open it up directly from here. And basically this is how the TV Bro browser looks like. This particular browser has all of the interesting features you would find in most of your popular browsers. So if you want to browse the internet by searching on Google, you can just scroll over to the search input field over here, so you can actually directly search through Google and then proceed to type whatever you want to search inside of this input field. If you press on the back button, you're going to see this top bar over here, and from the top you can see that we actually have the option to search via a microphone. There is actually the download section over here. This is for your bookmark, and it also has incognito mode. From over here you can actually browse in incognito as well. If you want to search for URLs directly, you can come inside of this input field, so you can scroll from the top inside of this input field and search for any URL directly using the TV Bro browser. Now finally, if you come over to the home of your Google TV Streamer 4K, you're going to find the browser over here, so you can actually use it whenever you want from now henceforth. If this video was helpful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.